Hello. Today we are going to learn coordinate geometry of the circle. Coordinate geometry of the circle. What is that? Coordinate geometry of the circle. Here we will need to write the equation of the circle in x and y. So this is a circle and the center is there. So coordinate geometry of the circle is a very important topic that is always asked in leaving certificate, either at ordinary level or at higher level. They always ask questions on the coordinate geometry of the circle. Now, we have a circle, and in the middle, you have a center. Now, to be able to write the equation that's going to define our circle, like that, the equation that is going to define our circle, we need to know the coordinate of the center, and we need also to know the length of the radius. This is the radius. If we have the coordinate of the center in x, y, and we have the length of the radius, then we'll be able to write the coordinate geometry of the circle. So there is a general equation. There is a general equation that is given by x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. R here stands for radius, the length of the radius. The length of the radius. And h and k are the coordinate of the center. H and k are the coordinate of the center. Now, it will depend on the position of the center. Where is our center located? Where is our center located? If our center is located at the origin of the axis, like that, for example, you have y-axis, and there we have x-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis. And if the center is there, we are going to have the coordinate that we have there will be 0, 0. H will be 0 and k will be 0. From there, our general equation will be simplified and become just x squared plus y squared is equal to radius squared. So this, in the case where the center is located at the center of the axis. So if the center of the circle is at the origin of the axis, then we have x squared plus y squared plus r squared is equal to, so x squared plus y squared is equal to radius squared. And this is the equation of the circle when the circle has the coordinate of the center there at the origin of the axis. Now, in ordinary level, for ordinary level students, this is generally, in general, we can use this equation or that depending on the situation. When they say that the center has the coordinate 0, 0, and then we write like that. If we have information that the center of the circle is at the origin of the axis, that means it has the coordinate 0, 0, then we write it like that. If it is elsewhere, it could be, for example, instead of having it there, we can have it, maybe, I'm going to show you, we can have it, maybe, we can have it maybe somewhere there, for example. So we have it there. The circle is there, for example. So we see that here, if the center is there, so x will have a minus value, for example, minus 3, and y we have the positive value, maybe plus 3. So x, that means our h will be minus 3, and the k will be plus 3. So this, when the center is located elsewhere, if it is not at the origin of the axis, then we can use this formula. But for higher level people, there is another formula. So the equation of the circle is usually given, in this way: 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So the equation of the circle can be written in this way, and this is only specially for higher level students. Okay? I hope that you understood the introduction, because this was just the introduction before we start solving the problem on the coordinate geometry of the circle. Thank you.